It's very important to keep in mind when designing a part how the stock material it will be made from will be held in place on the machine bed. This can affect how certain features and clearances are designed. There are many different types of work holding that can be used in different instances depending on how you want to hold your part in the machine. There are a variety of different types of work holding that can be used to hold your part in the machine depending on its size, shape and how you want to manufacture it. Vices use two jaws to close together to grip the part. Various shapes and sizes are available depending on your stock material. In general, vices work best when gripping onto parallel flat faces. Chucks use 3 or 4 jaws to close together and grip cylindrical material. Custom fixtures can be created to hold parts with non-standard shapes. They are usually designed for specific sets of operations, particularly for holding parts in various positions for better clearance when machining 3+2 or 5-axis features. There are specific types of fixtures called soft jaws, which use the inverse shape of a part machined from a block of material to hold the part in place for machining features. Clamps can be used to clamp a part or material either to the machine table directly or to a fixture. Clamps come in various sizes and strengths to enable flexibility of where to hold the part. Zero-point clamping systems use a series of holes in the bottom of a component to attach pull studs. These studs locate into a receiver plate, which is then clamped to the machine bed. Zero-point clamping is very useful as it reduces collision hazards on the machine bed. They can also be used for complex 3+2 and 5-axis machining, where clamps and other work holding may interfere with access.